Panguva ino the regime yoya ichikanzura mashoko anoexposwa the ZVAITWA. We have seen that audio yakasirculata aiwa yaexposa aiwa that girlfriend aiwa ainzi ndio mutungamiri wenyika pamwe chete nema-attacks aitwa on the director general. Sanabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achinzi aiwa those are just smear attacks, mashoko enhema. Tona the regime yoya ichiuya ichiti aiwa ZVAITWA iri discredited. Ndoda kuti inokufambisa maforces pane mutungamiri wenyika nobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. According to this source inobuda nyora chiti the recent smear campaign targeting the president and CIO Director General Dr. Fortune Mangwanya is nothing but desperate and cheap propaganda that will not succeed. The scandalous claims are an attempt to tarnish reputations and should be ignored. This is just another example of ZVAITWA's dishonest reporting practices, an outlet that has been exposed by citizens, including government critic Portugal, for spreading false information to stir controversy and attract followers. The article in question lacks credibility and substance, relying on hearsay and fabricated information to make unsubstantiated claims. It is clear that the author, Simbachikanza, was more interested in sensationalism than factual reporting, and their attempts to discredit the president and Dr. Mangwanya will fall flat in the face of their own dishonesty. Furthermore, the audio attached to the article has been identified as a deepfake, further solidifying the claim that the article is nothing but a work of fiction. It is clear that ZVAITWA's intention was to spread misinformation and create unnecessary tension. The president and the CIO leadership remains united and focused on serving the nation. Baseless claims and fabricated stories will not undermine the organization's commitment to its mandate. The public is advised to disregard ZVAITWA's article and instead rely on credible sources of information. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino achitaurwa panapa nekozwa yatirikuona kuti iriyo ichipublisha mashoko the regime ichiti aiwa ZVAITWA mashoko ari kufambisa ndiye manyepo. Ameno imimi sevagari venyika yeZimbabwe ndimi makanzwa that audio munyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa iyi audio iyi inyazoita ma-attacks on the director general. Ibutidze mafunguro enyu munozvitora sei? Munoti kudii pamusoro muchiona regime icho ichiti aiwa mashoko anotaurwa achipublishiwa neZVAITWA ndiye manyepo. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like.